Hey guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can apply a discount when you are issuing a sales invoice or customer invoice from LessAccounting. To apply a discount, you need to create an invoice or start working on invoice. So let's add in details on this invoice. So I will select who I'm billing to. I will select due date. Reference number is the same as invoice number. I can add notes, and then I can select add an item. So for example, I have product 1 and I am selling for 150 and I have 5 items. Okay. If I want, I can add additional description, color size, pack size, and etc. And then add new item, and this will be my discount line. So I'm applying a discount, and I am giving discount of £15 per each unit. To make sure that this goes as a discount, add a minus sign before an amount price amount. Okay. And quantity 5. So I'm giving 10% discount per unit to this particular customer. And then it's record £75 will be deducted from 750, and when we look at the bottom it will come to 675. Review and send invoice. I will mark as sent, will not email, and I will select 15 as my invoice date. Click mark send. Okay, so there is our invoice. We can edit invoice or we can delete this invoice. So in this episode, I showed you how you can add a discount on LessAccounting when you issue a sales invoice. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my complete LessAccounting tutorial as well as my review about this accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.